What happens when Hollywood royalty channels the essence of an opera legend? Angelina Jolie just gave us a stunning preview as she arrived at the Venice Film Festival, setting the stage for the world premiere of her latest film, Maria. Dressed in a breathtaking brown chiffon gown, Jolie looked every inch the leading lady, but there's more to this appearance than just glamour. How is Angelina Jolie bringing Maria Callas back to life on the big screen? Let's dive into the details of this highly anticipated biographical drama and Jolie's dedication to this iconic role. Angelina Jolie, known for her captivating screen presence, arrived at the Hotel Excelsior in Venice, turning heads with her effortlessly elegant style. The 49-year-old actress was in the city not just to dazzle onlookers but to promote Maria, a biographical drama about the legendary opera singer Maria Callas. Jolie's choice of a brown chiffon dress, featuring intricate diamond-shaped crisscross stitching at the waist, perfectly complemented her refined aesthetic. Paired with matching heels and chic sunglasses, she waved to her fans as she stepped off the boat, embodying the grace of the role she's about to portray. Maria, directed by Pablo Larraín and produced by Fremantle, is one of the most anticipated films at this year's festival. Angelina Jolie stars as Maria Callas, with Valeria Golino and Haluk Bilginer joining her as Callas' sister Yacinthi and the famous shipping magnate Aristotle Onassis, respectively. In a statement, Jolie expressed her deep sense of responsibility in bringing Callas' life and legacy to the screen. She emphasized the challenge of portraying such a complex figure, saying, "I take very seriously the responsibility to Maria's life and legacy. I will give all I can to meet the challenge." Jolie's excitement about working with director Pablo Larraín, who has previously helmed critically acclaimed biopics like Jackie and Spencer, is palpable. She's described the opportunity to tell more of Callas' story under Larraín's direction as a dream come true. The collaboration promises to be a fascinating one, blending Jolie's intensity and Larraín's unique vision in capturing the essence of iconic figures. What makes this project even more special is that Jolie will be wearing some of Callas' real clothes, including vintage fur pieces from Massimo Cantini Perini's archive collection. This level of authenticity is rare, and it underscores the film's dedication to honoring Callas' legacy. Jolie is no stranger to playing real-life figures, having portrayed Gia Carangi in Gia and Marion Pearl in A Mighty Heart, but Maria represents a new frontier in her career, one that blends the worlds of cinema and opera in a way that few films have attempted. Larraín, who has long been passionate about both cinema and opera, called the opportunity to make this film a fascinating opportunity and a true gift. With a script written by Stephen Knight, completed before Hollywood's WGA strike, Maria has secured an interim agreement with SAG-AFTRA, ensuring its progress amidst industry challenges. Maria Callas, born in 1923 to Greek-American parents, became one of the most celebrated opera singers of the 20th century. Known not only for her extraordinary voice but also for her striking beauty and dramatic personal life, Callas' story is one of passion, rivalry, and tragedy. The film will explore her life, her fierce rivalry with Italian opera singer Renata Tebaldi, and her heartbreaking death in Paris in 1977, after struggling with vision problems that nearly left her blind. While previous attempts to bring Callas' story to the big screen, such as Faye Dunaway's Passion Project and Meryl Streep's reported role in Master Class, never materialized, Maria promises to finally do justice to the life of this extraordinary woman. With Angelina Jolie at the helm, embodying Callas with all the grace and intensity the role demands, audiences are in for a cinematic experience that is both haunting and mesmerizing. And that's a wrap on Angelina Jolie's latest cinematic endeavor, bringing the life of Maria Callas to the big screen. Will Jolie's portrayal of the iconic opera singer leave a lasting impact? We can't wait to hear your thoughts. Be sure to give us a thumbs up and share your comments below. Thanks for tuning into Celeb Explore Hub. Stay tuned for more exclusive updates from the world of film and celebrity.